My good friend, Rona has made it her personal crusade to improve life insurance policy service. You know, she rightly contends that life insurance clients deserve proper and regular service of their contracts. So, you know, it got me thinking about what the costs to agents of poor service were. You know, and the more I thought about it, the worse it got. For instance, poor client service is how we lose clients. Let's be honest, your best clients are your competition's best prospects. They are just waiting for you to drop the ball so they can scoop it up and make a big score. Then not staying in contact and looking for ways to help your clients means you aren't top of mind and won't get those organic introductions to their friends when they're looking for somebody or something. Not interpreting client statements in person for real values and opportunities means clients must figure out for themselves just exactly how well they are doing and why. And no one brags about that kind of service to help you build your brand. You know, and if clients buy an average of 8 times in their lifetime, then not serving your clients well and regularly means you miss out on 7 of the easiest sales you could probably ever make. Why miss out on multiple sales to the client and the family? Not making top-level service your brand standard also means that your sales approach deteriorates due to less client input. You see, you just don't know what they're thinking anymore. Here's the thing. While clients deserve great service to get great value from their investment in their insurance, advisors must provide great service to their clients to get the best return on their effort getting those clients in the first place. Top service flips the hidden costs of poor service into life insurance sales multipliers. Hey, would you like to know how to make your service a sales multiplier? I can help. Check out jimruta.com. God bless, and I'll see you again next week.